today I used again my Swear by It eyeshadow palette, and I created this smoky eye, and I'm getting major fall vibes. I really love the eye makeup. I don't know how I feel about this lipstick because as I said previously in my other videos, I'm not used to do bold eye makeup and bold lipstick at the same time, but I do like it. I mean, ooh. So today I used sticky base. I didn't set my concealer like on my lids because I really wanted to see how these eyeshadows perform on a sticky base. And oh my god, they are so vibrant and so pigmented. You'll see in the video, but this palette really impressed me, like in a good way. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this smoky eye makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my lids with concealer, and as you can see I already had a little bit of concealer, but I wanted to apply a little bit more. And as I said in the intro, I am not going to set that concealer because I want to see how these eyeshadows perform on a sticky base, if that makes sense. And the result is amazing. So first I'm going to start with this as you probably know by now, I'm so bad at describing colors, so I'm going to call this like a yellow mustard. And that will be my transition shade, and I'm going to build a little bit that color. Next I'm going with this warm brownish kind of reddish color. Oh, I'm so bad. Maybe I'm going to tell you the numbers. Probably that's a little bit more helpful. Then I'm going back with that yellow mustard, that's the number 20. So basically what I'm doing is building the color and blending and building and blending. I really want to have a nice seamless transition, if that makes sense. I want the colors to fade into one another, so you can see a little bit of yellow, a little bit of red, a little bit of purple or mauve or whatever colors I'm using. And next I'm going to go with more darker shades, and first I'm going to pack this color. This is in the number 34, and as you can see I'm using a dense brush, and then I'm going to take a smaller one and I'm going to make that more seamless, like I'm going to blend the edges, and also I'm going to add more color to make it more intense. I feel like I'm rambling too much and I still make no sense, but basically what I'm trying to say is that I want to achieve a very nice transition in between the colors. I want the colors to fade into one another very soft, like imagine a sunset, the colors of a sunset. That's what I'm trying to say. I know I'm bad at explaining things, but I feel like what I'm doing in the video is pretty obvious, so please bear with me. I know I'm bad. Don't at me. Okay? Thank you. What? Okay? I really wanted a clean edge, so that's what I'm doing here. And also I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on my bottom lash line because I want those colors to pop. And first I'm going to start with this purple burgundy color. This is in the number 18, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash line. And to blend everything out, I'm going to use again that yellow mustard color in the number 20. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use this pretty shimmery shade. This has a little bit of yellow, a little bit of pink. Oh, so pretty. This is the number 2. And for my inner corners, I wanted to add a pop of color, and I'm going to use Coin from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. Oh, I love that color. It's so gorgeous. Like, look at that. Let's do the face makeup, shall we? First, I'm going to start with this Rosé All Day serum. I just started to use this and I kind of like it. Next, I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to use my No Poreblem primer. No Poreblem primer, yes. I really love this primer because it makes my foundation go so smooth. I don't know, something about this primer. I really love it. For my foundation, I'm going to mix these two Revlon foundations because none of the shades matches me right now. That's why I'm mixing them and I really love the combo. To conceal and brighten my under eyes, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and to set that, I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. With this puff, I'm just pressing the powders on my skin, and next I'm going to give my face a little bit of definition because it's looking kind of flat right now and that's not cute. So first I'm going to start with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. You know that this is my all-time favorite bronzer. And on top of that, I'm going to go with this flower bronzer from Beige Cosmetics. This is in the shade Bahamas, and I'm going to use this as a bronzer topper because it's a little bit too dark for me, but as a topper it looks nice. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Beige Cosmetics highlight palette, and I'm going to use the shade Dream, and I'm going to make my highlight a dream. Well, not really. And to set the makeup, I'm going to use this Dewy Glow Fixing Spray from Catrice because Kathleen Light said that this is amazing, and she is so right. If you have dry skin, try it. This is amazing. And finally, on my lips, I'm going to use this lipstick from Doucce. This is in the shade Red Mystique, and I really thought this will be a little bit more orange because on the packaging this looks like a burnt orange, but on me this looks pretty red. I'm not mad, but I thought it will be a little bit more orange. Okay, so this is the final look. I don't really like to do bold eye makeup with bold lipstick like at the same time, but I really wanted to try this lipstick because I keep saying that I'm going to try it, and I never do it. So that's why I did a bold lipstick. It's not bad, but it's not really my thing. I feel like it, to me, is a little bit too much, but I really like it. I like it, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, so this is my I'm going to use again. I'm not really into eye makeup. The fall vibes makeup look. Oh no, the final look to me is a little bit too